arb here that's not doing very well. I'm just going to cut everything off to where I see it's green, at least inside. See this new growth right there? I like the look of that. That is a good sign, but overall, it's not faring too well. I'm going to scratch this branch to see if there's anything green in there. There isn't. It's dead. So let's see if I can find anything that's green. I scratched all along this stem right here, and I did find a little bit of green down here, so I'm going to cut. Oh, there's green there. No green here, so I'm going to find kind of a node maybe and cut right above that, somewhere over here. Like died right there. One less dead branch. This is kind of easy to see. You can see green here and then it stops being green, so I'm going to cut right there. Here's another easy one. There's green here, but not here, so I will cut it right there. And I'm just going to go through and do that all over. And hopefully it will help it grow. Well, I took out most of the dead branches, but now if you look closely, you can see the tips of each of the, I guess, the leaves or the needles also are browning. Therefore, cayenne pepper. Therefore, I'm going to cut every tip. These arms were $12 at the nursery, and 2 of them already died, so we just pulled them out, took them back, and we got credit at the nursery, so we were able to buy other things. I got biotone and some other things, I think actually mycorrhiza, that they sell there at the nursery. But I'm going to try to save these. There's one here and there's one other over there. I just watched a video on YouTube where a guy said, I'll try to link it if I can find it, where he said that he read somewhere to just take everything that's dead off of his arb. And so that's where I got the idea to do this. Well, I mean, other than the fact that you're supposed to take dead things off of all your plants so as not to harbor any disease. But if you look closely, you can see there's an orange one and then a light green one. Obviously the orange is dead and the light green is new, so the light green is replacing what I'm cutting out. Yay. These also look kind of like little puzzle pieces, or you know, Indian puzzle? It's like a plant that comes apart and then you can put it together. Well, each little one of these, like leaves, I guess, is separate, and I think you can just pull it out and then new growth will come from right in there. Kind of reminds me of a Christmas cactus up close. There. Okay, so that was May 30th and now it's August 25th, so let's see how the arb is doing. I'd say it looks pretty good. Growing crooked, but that's beside the point.